So pretty out here today, guys. It's 9:49 a.m. Like, just look at this. Beautiful weather. So pretty. There's nothing like a nice, crisp Saturday morning. It's 39 degrees. So wonderful. So I'm about to head to the place. I need to get a car wash too. Yeah. My oil changed. That's what I meant to say. Alright, bye. Alright, so I'm at the dealership. I totally didn't know where to pull in or anything. So yeah, he's gonna look up because I only have 48,000, but he said he's gonna look up my vehicle to see if I'm still under the 50,000 mile warranty, free maintenance thing. We'll see. That'd be cool if I didn't have to pay for this, but you know. All right.
People like you who want to fight back. The truth is, you can't change a corrupt system by taking its money. I'm Bernie Sanders. I approve this message. Join us.
And for the ones they love, they do anything. Sears Optical has glasses made for doing. Right now, buy one pair and get another free. Quality eyewear for doers. Sears Optical.
Does a freshly printed presentation fill you with optimism?
So I'm at Target. There aren't many people here. And I need to get some cat food. These filters I got, are just blowing me. It's really blowing my life because they only have a 2-pack. $40, so wasn't planning to spend more than 20. I'm not gonna go down the book aisle because I'll buy stuff. I was about to say waiting here at a red light and it turned green. Okay. Timing. I know what I'm recording. I'm not looking at my phone. So for all I know, I'll probably just have like my car dashboard or something. But over there is where the dealership was, beyond those trees. Am I even showing anything? I don't want to glance down, but beyond those trees, right there. There you go. You can see it, kind of, sort of. That dealership right there. That's where I went, right there. And it's kind of busy out here today, so I'm going to go. I think I'm just going to go home. I have to tinkle, so I am going to go home. Alright, so I'm sitting here at home in the parking lot, literally not knowing what to do with myself. Like, it's 1:37 p.m. It's beautiful outside. It feels so good. I'm going to roll down my other window. It feels so good. I don't want to go inside and just sit downstairs when it's all dark and cold and Alright, so I just said ooh because I was just remembering that I need to maybe go to the beauty store and get some more hair. And I forgot to get some. I'm thinking about just going to the library and grading the rest of those tests and their homework. I'll put the stickers in there, right? Yeah, I would just need to go buy some red pens and like a red marker. As you can see, I'm pretty bored. So, I'm not really bored because there's so much I can do. Ooh, that's a bird's nest over there. Because there's so much I can do. Isn't it nice out here, you guys? Like, just look. Those are beautiful. Whatchamajigga. What was I trying to say? Oh, look at the bird. Can you see the birdie? I'm not showing it. There's two of them. What are these orange-breasted birds called? I need to look them up. That's pretty cool. You're probably totally not even looking at them. Let me see if I can get them another way. Okay. Where are you going, Mr. Birdie? Or are you Mama Birdie? What are you doing, Mama? Are you looking at me? Or are you just trying to see how close you can come to me? I wish I had some bread or something. You looking for worms? So cool how they walk and they don't have arms. I know that makes totally no sense what I just said, but if you were in my head, you would understand. Hi, Birdie. Please don't fly my car. Okay. Where are you going? Are you looking at me? Okay, this bird is so about to attack me. I know you're thinking about it, aren't you? You're looking, oh crap, it's getting closer. You're looking at me. Ooh, I like the little design on your eye. My camera's probably not picking it up. I'm probably not even showing you. Okay, there you are. Okay, y'all, this is, I know, it's like almost 2 minutes. I'm gonna go get something done with my life. Okay, bye, you guys.